Hello, good morning everyone. On today's video we are going to view more about the strategy builder for NinjaTrader 8, and as an example I will take a strategy that a trader asked me the favor to show how to create. We have a MACD, the yellow line is the MACD, and this histogram is the average of the MACD. When the MACD crosses over the average, it enters long, and when it crosses below, we close the long. For the shorts it is the same, but the MACD is negative. And when the MACD crosses below the average, we enter short, and when it comes back again over the average, then we close the short. To create this using the builder, we go to New Strategy Builder, New Strategy, we assign a name. As usual, I always start with for the strategies created with the wizard. Next, we will work at bar close. We don't need any additional data, and by now we are not using input parameters. And now let's go to the conditions. To enter long, close the long, and then enter short and close the short. The first condition will be that the MACD is positive. Let's view an example. The blue line is the MACD and the red line is the average. When the MACD is positive and crosses over the red line, this is the condition to enter long. So we click on Add. We search the indicator MACD. We set the same parameters. This user was using 895. We could use input parameter here, but just to make it simple, we place the parameters. This indicator has 3 lines, and we want to check the MACD line greater than. On miscellaneous we can select a numeric value, this field, and we set 0. So the MACD line of the MACD indicator must be greater than 0. And here we have the condition. Indeed, we also need a crossover. So we add another condition. Again, we search the indicator, MACD, the same parameters. And the line is the MACD, and we want to check when it crosses above the same indicator but the other line. So we search the same indicator, same parameter, and the line is the average. The MACD crosses above the average on the last bar. Click on OK, and that's all. This is the condition to enter long. So now we can add the action from the order management and select enter long. Now we want to close the position when there is a crossover on the other direction. when there is a cross below, when the blue line, the MACD, crosses below the red line, the average. And also we have a long position. So we can copy with the right button, we can copy the current tab, and now we only need to change or edit the differences. To close the position, we only need the crossover. Instead of a cross above, is a cross below. The position of the MACD is not necessary, so we can remove that option, but we need the condition to be long. We don't want to close a long if we are not long. So on strategy, we select the current market position equals to, again on strategy, market position, and select long. So the current position is long. So when we have a long position and the MACD crosses below, we want to close the long. So we replace this order by an exit long position. Click on OK. And we have the condition for the entry and the condition for the exit. For the long, we are not using target and stop. This is a specification given by the user. So we can click on next and finish. Wait for the indicator to compile, for the strategy to compile, and now we can check if we get an entry and an exit. To be able to view the trace, we need to go to data series and enable the plot executions. So we need to enable all the markers or the text and the markers. Now we can right click and add a strategy. The one we created is with MACD. It has no parameters. And now we can see that it has a D letter from disabled, and we can enable the strategy from here. And we can see that the entry is correct and also the close position. If the strategy is good or not, this is another subject. The idea is how to create the logic. Now we need to do the same with the shorts. So let's go again to new strategy builder. Instead of new strategy, we edit the previous strategy. Go to the conditions, and these are the two conditions. And now we need to do the same for the shorts. So we can create a copy of this tab and edit the conditions for the shorts. The first condition is that the MACD must be negative, not positive. So we replace the greater by less. And the other condition, let me find an example. We need the MACD negative. Here is a good example. The MACD is negative, also here. MACD is negative, and there is a crossover, a cross below, and then a cross above. This is a short, and this is a close short. So let's review the conditions. First, the MACD is negative, okay, and second, we have a cross below. Instead of a cross above, we need a cross below. And instead of enter long, enter short. And now we need the exit condition. So we copy the exit condition for longs and now replace or edit the conditions. Now we want to close when there is a cross above. So we replace the cross below by a cross above. And also when we are short. To close a short, we want to be short. So we edit this. And now the action is to close a short. So we look for the exit short position. Okay. And we have the 4 conditions. Enter long, close long, enter short, close short. There are no targets, no stops. Click on finish, wait to compile, disable, enable. Sorry, we need to wait for the strategy to be compiled. We enable, and here we have a short, and here the close short. This is a long, this is positive, the MACD, and there is a cross above. Now the MACD is negative, there is a cross below, and then a cross above. Same here, cross below, so we enter short, cross above, so we close the short. The performance is not a matter of discussion, because the idea is to show how to create the logic with the wielder. So we can create a setup where we don't have target and stop. Hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any question, please post below. Thank you. Bye bye.